Hey guys, what's up? My name is Tim and this is New Craft Workshop. You've been here before, welcome back. As always, if this is your first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hopefully by the end of this video, give us a thumbs up as well. So we do one of these videos occasionally where we talk about items that you could be or should be buying for your shop on Amazon to save yourself some money. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're actually going to talk about a few items today that we've talked about before. I'm showing those because I want to give you guys updated pricing. We've got some new items today that are going to be kind of geared towards the beginner woodworking, which our channel really focuses on beginners. This is going to help you guys get some handheld power tools out in your shop without breaking the bank. And then we've got a couple items that you probably should put on your Christmas wish list, and maybe Santa can drop them off in your stocking. But everything that I'm showing you today is priced as of this moment, which is the 18th of November. If you're watching this video in January of 2025, I cannot guarantee that this pricing will be correct. As a matter of fact, it probably won't. So as soon as you see this video, if there's anything you like, go ahead and click on those links and get some of these items going. Now, before you say anything, yes, we do get support from you guys every time you use those links below. But here's the great thing. Even if you click on those links and you don't buy the product that it's linking to, it will get you to Amazon and you can do your shopping as regular, and it helps out our channel. It's our way of giving you guys some deals, at the same time benefiting our channel and helping us grow so we can bring you guys more content in the future. So that's all I got for you today. Let's get right into this video. 20 items you guys should be buying on Amazon. All right, guys, we're going to do this particular Amazon video a little different than I normally do it. I am going to basically just let these clips run. It's going to give you a little demo about every item that I wanted to show you guys today. And at the very end of each clip, I'm going to pop up the current Amazon price today, November 18th. Remember, if you guys are watching this later, can't guarantee that pricing is still going to be accurate. So there's a couple things in here that we use on a regular basis: screws, brads, wood glue. One of the reasons those are included is because those are things we can save money on each and every day out in our shop. There's a couple of things that we've discussed, like the Freud router bit set that will be coming up in a little while. That thing is still priced at $150, which is literally half the cost that it is over at the Woodcraft store. Some of these other items, some of the Skil hand tools, are going to be geared towards you beginners who might need some power tools out in your shop. These are some really good deals going on right now on Amazon that are not going to break the bank. And finally, I threw in a few items that might be just something you want to add to your Christmas wish list. Again, these are things that I don't have every single one of these items in my shop, but if I were a beginner or even an intermediate and I just wanted some extra stuff for Christmas like we all do, these are items I would add to my list. So hope you guys enjoy. As always, anytime you click down in the links below, you help our channel and we appreciate it. As always, catch you guys on YouTube.